Hello, my name is Emma, and I think that we should talk about the book Wool. So I read this for the first time when I was like 13 years old, and for some reason, the first half, but only the first half, really stuck in my memory. Like, I would think about that book once every couple of weeks for like 12 years. But only the first half, and I don't know why. I can't pinpoint what it is about that first half that stuck with me so strongly, but it was equally captivating the second time I read it through. And for not having remembered literally anything about the second half, I was pleased to find that it was also very captivating. The use of language the author has is very strong, and the way that the chapters flow made it very easy to get sucked into, and so now I feel like I have to add the rest of the series onto my read list.